Welcome back to Completely Irrelevant. Today, we're turning this log into fence boards. Keep her tuned. Okay, so what we need to do, this is where your bar is going to be. You need to measure from the top of your jig to where you want it, which is about 5.5 inches. And on here, if you come closer, you adjust these bolts here, and you can raise it or lower it. And we're going to put it right here at 5.5. When you're tightening these, keep in mind that if you don't tighten them enough, one side could come loose and you could be cutting, instead of cutting a flat board, you're cutting at a, garbage angle. So make sure you tighten these down really good, tight as you can get them. Take your power head through there. And there. And what I'll do is just line up one side. You gotta see from the top here. I just line up this side with my dogs, and this part, can't see it very good, but it goes right dead center in the end of the bar. Clamp these down too hard, it'll be pressing against your bar and your bar won't spin, or your chain won't spin. The bar shouldn't be spinning. There you have it, one fence board. Now we just got to cut the rest of them off. Bye.